This is a product of a very committed municipality in trying to upgrade facilities in the townships and work in partnership with businesses that are in the township. So Maxis Lifestyle, it's one of our leading projects. It's a champion for township development. It's a champion for economic development in the township. Maxis Lifestyle is also a champion in as far as the branding of townships as tourist destinations. So we are very proud about this, and we hope that moving forward there are many more Maxis that will emerge, and we are also hopeful that going forward all institutions will bring business to the townships and support Max.